Today we're going to be making the HVAC relay switch, and then we're also going to be building a custom harness that's going to take a lot of the relay components and put them towards the back of the car. This is how every day in the garage starts. What am I missing? What am I forgetting? What is going to be the oh shit moment when I figure out that I didn't put that in the harness? So I got finished with this and I was like, man, there's something missing. And sure enough, if I didn't draw it on the diagram, it doesn't exist. And that was my input power to this relay. So I have to tap a line here and then make it to where it connects to another switch. So the next thing that I'm going to be working on is a little 3-foot harness that transfers some wires from my dash harness over to where I'm putting my light switch, because my light switch is not going to be in the center of my dash. It's going to be off to the left. And so I'm just going to make a little 3-foot harness, which might be too much, but if I want to route it somewhere, you know, 1.5 feet is not going to make it. So this will just be some female and male ends, and take me a few minutes, and then I'll put a nice I might just tape it up, or I might put a sleeve on it. We'll see. There we go. All right, so we got most of our little harnesses made, except I'm waiting on the harness for my e-brake, because there's going to be a lot of leftover from these spools here. So, but I don't want to cut anything prematurely because I'm not sure how long it's going to go. But you can tell I haven't ran this yet because I'm procrastinating, because that's what I'm doing. I know it's going to be a bear. So I bought some outer sheathing for this cable. So let's see, we got this one, yep, this one here. Not sure why it comes in an anti-static bag, but we'll go with it. So this is a nice split. Oh, and by the way, I found there's a tool that you could use for your regular plastic conduit that you just literally go zzz, and like in 5 seconds you did the whole spool, and it's like, man, I spent a half an hour trying to cram those things in with me and a screwdriver. And of course you got to be delicate with the screwdriver not to screw anything up. But yeah, so there is a special tool. It's only a few bucks. I'm assuming that tool might work on this, but it might not, because this overlaps a lot where the other one just butts up to each end. So, but I'm going to put this on the alternator cable, get that dialed in, and then I think the front end would be 100% officially done. And so I'd rather just get that finished, you know, except for my headlights, which don't go on until later. But we'll go ahead and do that, and then we will start looking at that. Now that is some spaghetti. So we got our harness over there. It's all nicely wrapped up. Going through our grommet into the top of the area there where we're going to put relays and stuff. Now I designed it electronically, but I haven't actually physically decided exactly where I'm going to put stuff, and it's because I kind of wanted to see how it was all going to lay out wire-wise. Like, is it really easy to just put 4 relays in a row and then go, different places? Or is it easier to put 2 relays over there, 2 relays over here, and make it happen that way? And that's why I didn't pre-cut any of these wires, because I really don't know which wire is going where, because I don't remember what white is or red is. It's all on a chart. So it's going to be interesting, because I kind of want to, I don't want to keep cutting up stuff and splitting it up and adding length and all that stuff. I just want like one big run and then wire it or do whatever I need to do right when it goes to the relay. So I think this is the next step, is kind of figure out where all this stuff is going and then trim some of this sketty out of here. And then afterwards, tighten up my loom with the nylon sheathing. And so we will see where it goes. So I'm kind of deciding to go ahead and cinch up this cable with the sleeve, and it's just going to make things kind of more permanent for me. Get it out of the way. So we are going to try to do that, because all I see is way too many colors, and it's just too much to look at. As you can see, this goes a lot faster than the other stuff, but once you have that tool, the other stuff goes really well too. So, in fact, faster than this. So, but I don't have any more of the hard plastic stuff, and I was happy to use this stuff.
So that's all I'm going to be doing today, but at least I have all the wires laid out, ready to go, cut to kind of the, what I think is final positioning, and then I just have to actually wire the components up. So till next time, have a great day.